Hello everybody, this is a very quick dinner for these days that you are very tired and it's like today, like it's Friday, it's the end of the week and you don't know what to cook and you want something quick, easy and tasty. This is the recipe. So the products I'm using is I use this brand of tortellini of fresh ricotta and tender spinach that half package is 5 points. That is, I think it's 100 grams, around 100 grams is 5 points, okay? So then I use this sauce, Bunalon sauce, that is pure tomato. So I calculated the points and this whole jar has 3 points because it's between 2 people, pues 1.5 points. Later at the end of the video, when I post it, I will put the points in the title, I will calculate them. Then I weighed 30 grams of chorizo, that is 3 points for my portion. And then the way you cook it is you put the jar of tomato in the fry pan and you put the chorizo. I don't know if you appreciate because it's red, but here is the 30 grams of chorizo. I put it in slices, and the chorizo you put it to medium heat for maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes, depending how you like it done and how you like the flavor. You can taste it to your taste, but it doesn't need many minutes, you know. A pinch of salt and a pinch of sugar, and you move it a little bit, and with the chorizo, the tomato get a chorizo flavor, very nice, give a very tasty flavor to the tortellini. And then in the other side you put to boil the tortellini of spinach for 1 minute. Only need, as per you follow the instructions of the package, but this only need, as per these instructions, 1 minute. It's delicious, very fast, very quick. This is a tortellini, a portion of tortellini already boiled for a minute, that before I put the tomato that I wanted you to show how it look like. And here is the final step where you put the tomato, you put the chorizo, and sometimes, today I don't have any, but sometimes I put a little bit of parmesan and it's really delicious. But today I don't have, so I will have it just like that. And I'm really going to enjoy it. So I hope you like this video and I invite you to try it because it's really nice, it's quick and easy, and it's low fat calorie. I put later the points. Take care, bye!